Greetings to you all. Welcome to Class 7, Refresher Course Module English. Worksheet 19, Tenses, Simple Past. Dear children, today we are going to deal Simple Past. Simple past tense is used to describe a completed activity that happened in the past. In other words, it started in the past and ended in the past. அதாவது முன்னாடி தொடங்கிருச்சு முன்னாடியே முடிஞ்சு போச்சு. For example, they painted the house last year. And the formula goes like this. Subject plus verb to. It means come, came, come naka, come, came. ரெண்டாவது past form, alright? They are lately, last week, yesterday, once upon a time, long ago, etc. இந்த மாதிரி words எல்லாம் வரும்போது they are called as simple past tense. For example, Ram says, I ran fast in the running competition. I ran fast. நல்ல ஓடினேன். அதை மாதிரி சொல்கிறதெல்லாம் past tense. Fine, children? I went to temple yesterday. We all went to Ooty last year. இதெல்லாமே past tense. So here some words are there in the bracket. You can see closed, added, bought, arrested, started, stood. So use பண்ணி. So we have to use these words and fill in the blanks. Shall we do? Adhavan closed the shop. Adhavan opened the shop. Now fill in the blanks we are going to do. First one, Kamala dash Bharat in the football team. So இங்க என்ன word use பண்ணலாம்? Kamala added Bharat in the football team. Second one, I dash a big house. I bought a big house. Third one, the police dash the thief. The police arrested the thief. Fourth one, we dash the chess game. We started the chess game. அதாவது மேலே கொடுத்துருக்க வேர்ட்ஸ் எத்தனைக்கும் ஆப்போசிட்டாக இருக்கணும். சரியா? ஃபஸ்ட்டு closed, opened. We started the chess game. Next one, the cat dashed on the wall. The cat stood on the wall. Now let us do the opposite part. So Kamala added. Addedக்கு பதிலாக removed. Kamala removed Bharat in the football team. I bought a big house. Boughtக்கு opposite, sold. I sold a big house. I sold a big house. Third one, the police arrested the thief. Arrestedக்கு பதிலாக released. The police released the thief. Fourth one, we started the chess game. Start opposite, stop. So we stopped the chess game. Fifth one, the cat stood on the wall. Stood அதோட opposite, sit வைக்கலாம். So the cat sat on the wall. Okay, children? Fine, children? Okay, moving on to the assessment part. Write the simple past form for the following verbs. Simple தானே? Past form எழுதிக்கோங்க. அதாவது செகண்ட் verb. Come, came, come, go, went, gone. செகண்டா. Verb and simple past. Be verbக்கு என்ன பண்ணலாம்? Was, were. ஒரு ஆள்னாக்கா was. Many people means were. அது singularக்கு was, pluralக்கு were. And if you write sentence means Rama was a good girl. Brinda was a good girl. அப்படி சொல்லிக்கலாம். Hari was a good boy. Take ஓட past tense took. If you write in ஒரு sentence form, he took my pen. He took my pencil. Next, want past tense wanted. You can use two letters ed. He wanted to go to beach. He wanted to go to park. Sit past tense sat. We sat on the river bank. We sat on the bench, like that. Find past tense found. If you write in sentence, we found the pencil, like that. Okay. Second one, children, rewrite the sentences in simple past tense. Okay, you have some sentences அது simple present இருக்குது. We have to turn it into simple past tense. அது வேற ஒன்றும் இல்லை, செகண்ட் ஃபார்ம் ஆஃப் த வேர்ப் எதுனா போதும். ஸோ நாதியா drives into the worker. ஸோ drives அதுக்கு past tense எழுதணும். Nadia drove into the worker. Second one, the woman drinks a cup of tea. அப்போ drinks ஓட past tense என்ன? Drank. The woman drank a cup of tea. C. The two men shake hands. So shake ஓட past tense shake, shook இல்லையா? Shook. The two men shook hands. D. The women eat their lunch together. So eat ஓட past tense ate. The women ate their lunch together. E part. Raghav catches the train. So catches ஓட past tense Raghav caught the train. Fine, children? Okay, moving on to third question. Choose the correct answer. my mother dash biryani for dinner yesterday. அப்போ இங்கே வந்து you have a few words, we have to choose right word. Cook, cooked, cooking, cooks. அப்போ ஏடி இருக்கிற வேர்ட்ஸ் தான் ரைட்டான வேர்டு நினச்சிக்கோங்களேன். My mother cooked biryani for dinner yesterday. Second one, where dash you last Sunday? I dash to the cinema. Your options are were and weren't, were and go, was and goes, were and went. Okay, which one will suit correctly? Where were you last Sunday? I went to the cinema. C, Sheila dashed the glass last week. So the option words are break, breaked, broke, was breaking. Sheila broke the glass last week. Okay. D part, I dashed a bike with my father a day before yesterday. So the words are ride, rides, rode, rode. So I rode a bike with my father a day before yesterday. Okay, I ride ku rode கொடுத்துக்கலாம். Next E, the telephone dashed after I had reached home. Your options are rang, ring, ringed, was ringing. இங்கே ED எல்லாம் கொடுக்க வேணாம். The telephone rang after I had reached home. Fine, children. Moving on to fourth question. Rearrange the following in correct sequence. Fine. Children in the pool, in the swimming, all swam. So these are all mixed up, jumbled இருக்குது. If you write in order, all the children swam in the swimming pool. Okay. B, last, policeman, the thief, weekend, the caught. The policeman caught the thief last weekend. Okay. C, the news on the heard I radio. I heard the news on radio. D, lesson, the understood, students, the English. The students understood the English lessons. E, lockdown, read books, Parathi, many during. Parathi read many books during lockdown. Okay. Fifth one, children, describe your experience of visiting a zoo during holidays in 5 sentences. So imagine you have visited zoo during the vacation. அது ஒரு 5 sentences எழுதணும். We went to the zoo. Go ஓட past tense went. Last week in a van. Our school arranged a trip to the zoo. So arrange ஓட past tense arranged. Our friends and teachers accompanied. அப்போ accompanied. We were 20 members. We packed some snacks and lunch. We bought tickets in the counter. So buy order past tense bought and entered the zoo. All of us were excited to see the animals, birds and snakes and elephants. Excited past tense excited. So tigers எல்லாம். But I was not so happy. அங்கே was எல்லாரும் சந்தோஷமாக இருக்கிறாங்க. ஏன் நான் மட்டும் ஹாப்பி இல்லை? I was sad to see the caged animals in the zoo. In the evening, we left for our house. Everybody enjoyed thoroughly. Okay, இது சும்மா நான் எழுதி வச்சிருக்கிறேன். You can write on your own, children. நீங்கள் ஜூக்கு போன மாதிரியும் நினச்சிட்டு you can write in past tense. Fine. I hope all of you understood. Do not copy the answers exactly. You can watch again. Do not miss to watch other lesson explanation videos, book back exercise, guided reading, refresher course, bridge course and everything. Thank you.